we have a Ford Focus ST, 2013-ish. We're gonna be doing a intercooler
and rear lip.
We're gonna be doing an intercooler and rear lip. Check it out as we take the car apart. First, we gotta remove the bumper, and then we gotta install the intercooler. And the intercooler is made by who?
I don't know.
Some company. It looks cool though. Watch it out. So first, we'll get some B-roll, and then we'll get into the time lapse. Let's go. Oh my goodness! Look at this. It looks like it got hit by a tornado in here. All right, this is the aftermarket one, the gray one, and the gray one's the original. The black one's the new one, right?
Right.
So we're gonna install that one now in here, and then we had to take off the subframe. We had to take off all this.
The core support.
The core support. We had to take out the core support and all this other stuff. Now we gotta get back to it. Ready? Introduce yourself too, by the way, since you're on my channel.
Randy from Modfyd, and we're basically upgrading this so that way it has a lot more cooling efficiency for the turbo.
Nice.
So we have double the surface space here, and that's one of the reasons why people upgrade them, because they want a larger core of the intercooler. So this one should help out a lot. It's a factory bolt-on. Unfortunately, this one's used, but he got all the brand new hardware, so everything should bolt on.
Cool.
And be good to go.
Let's go. We'll see him do his work. Back to the time lapse. All right, guys. Sorry, it's a little dark outside, but that's the thing. It's done. We're gonna call it quits. Can't wait to put the rims on that Supra. By the way, peace out, y'all. We're done. It's a lot of work.